Hi, I'm Sequoia with Project Tree Collard, and I just wanted to share with you a little insider thing about tree collards. The purple tree collards don't bloom very often, but there are some other types of tree collards that do bloom. And if you're finding yourself short of food or just wanting to eat something that's sort of slightly broccoli-like and highly nutritious, besides eating the leaves, you can eat the flowers. I just wanted you to know that if you eat the flowers, the plant will make more, so it will be a continual process because it wants to make its seed, so it will continue to send flowers up until it can make its seed. So how you harvest them is you just cut the tips off and lightly stir fry them just for a couple minutes, and they will add a nice nutritious tidbit into your dinner with your other vegetables. So you can see how these would be nice and crunchy and quite broccoli-like. So thanks for watching, and for more information you can go to projecttreecollar.org.